Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the managing director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing so-called yellow house books. For those who are unaware, yellow house books or foreign Tebian bonds or yellow Tebian bonds. Tebian bond means house registration. This is a book. We've done many videos on this in the past. Oftentimes, Thais will have a blue book. It's sort of an elongated rectangular book, and that is sort of the root key document, if you will, to Thai identity. It's the root Thai identity document, I would argue. Children, when they're born, they get a birth certificate, and then you immediately need, generally speaking, to put them onto your Tebian bond so that they now have a registered household here in the kingdom. Now, it is possible for foreign nationals to obtain what's called a yellow Tebian bond or a yellow house book, which is what is intended for foreigners. As we've discussed in other videos, there has been some confusion in the past regarding the yellow house book's impact on Thai immigration. It has none. As we've discussed in prior analysis, the yellow house book was created pursuant to the Civil Registration Act of 1991, and it has no bearing on immigration. Question posed by this video is, does it have any bearing on tax residency? Based on my initial analysis, along with lawyers here in the firm, and by the way, to all the trolls out there, I've never claimed to be a Thai lawyer. Listen to what I say in these videos. I've always said I'm an American attorney. I'm the managing director of the firm. The Thai lawyers handle Thai legal matters here in the office, as well as Thai attorneys, which, by the way, you can get into a whole back and forth as to the analysis of what's a Thai attorney, what's a Thai lawyer, the translations and definitions thereof. I'm not getting into that. I've always claimed to be what I am, and I am an American attorney. And again, I've been very vocal about this as well. Non-Thais should not be talking about Thai law at all, really, nor should they be providing advice or consultation in any way, shape, or form. And I've posted previously the documentation pertaining to the government's regulation and, more specifically, restriction of foreigners engaging in that activity. In fact, I may go ahead and just put it up in the description or in one of the comments again, as I keep getting a bunch of hate for that. Now, I'm just saying it, calling it how it is on that particular topic. Meanwhile, back to what we're talking about here, yellow house books. How do they interact with tax policy? Really not much at all. It's very similar analysis, in my opinion, as well as the opinion of those folks here in the office that I've discussed this with, that it doesn't really have any impact. It's very similar to the lack of impact having a yellow house book has on one's immigration status. Tax matters are dealt with under a different set of statutes than the Civil Registration Act of 91, which created yellow house books. For all intents and purposes, for a foreigner here in Thailand, a yellow house book is effectively an ID document. It doesn't really have anything to do with your tax status, nor does it have much of anything to do with your immigration status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.